Hi guys, so magka-count po si Enrique. Let's see if alam niya na yung 1 to 10. Okay? What number is this?
1,
This one.
4, 6, 2, 9, 1, 5, 7, 3, 8, nga. Siwang.
10.
10. Siwang 10 ulit.
Okay, again.
10. 8.
Okay. So, let's see yung sunod-sunod. Wait lang, I'll fix it.
Hi guys.
Dapat sunod-sunod. O, kausapin niyo muna sila. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Taking my yagan. Okay. I keep it as this guy because with me it is in bike.
Okay. So, kailangan sunod-sunod from 1 to 10. Okay, again. Look.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Dito tingin.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Good job! Very good. Are you ready for school? Are you ready for school?
Yes.
Goodbye. Bye-bye ka na sa kanila.
Bye bye guys.